In this video, we'll show you how to properly clean your Crocs to keep them looking fresh and comfortable. Crocs are made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, but dirt, grime, and stains can build up over time. With the right techniques, you can restore your Crocs to their original condition without damaging them. Let's dive in. To clean your Crocs, you'll need mild dish soap or a gentle detergent, a soft bristled brush or sponge, a bowl of warm water, and a clean towel for drying. If your Crocs have tough stains or odor issues, baking soda or white vinegar can help. For Crocs with fur lining, you'll also need a fabric brush or lint roller. Start by removing any dirt or debris from your Crocs. Tap them together to shake out loose dirt, and use a soft brush or dry cloth to wipe off any surface dust. If your Crocs have removable liners, take them out and clean them separately. Fill a bowl or basin with warm water and add a small amount of mild dish soap or detergent. Submerge the Crocs in the soapy water and let them soak for a few minutes to loosen any dirt or grime. Use a soft bristled brush or sponge to gently scrub the surface of the Crocs, paying attention to the soles, straps, and any textured areas. For stubborn stains, sprinkle a little baking soda onto a damp sponge or brush and gently scrub the affected area. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive to lift stains without damaging the material. Alternatively, you can mix equal parts white vinegar and water, apply it to the stain, and scrub gently. Rinse the Crocs thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap and residue. If your Crocs have fur lining, use a fabric brush or lint roller to remove dirt and debris. For deeper cleaning, hand wash the lining with a mild detergent and warm water. Be gentle to avoid damaging the fur. Allow the lining to air dry completely before reattaching it to the Crocs. After cleaning, pat the Crocs dry with a clean towel to remove excess water. Let them air dry completely in a cool, shaded area. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight or high heat, as this can cause the material to warp or shrink. To keep your Crocs looking their best, clean them regularly and store them in a dry place away from direct sunlight. For extra shine, you can use a rubber-safe polish or protectant, but always check the product label to ensure it's safe for your Crocs. Cleaning your Crocs is a quick and easy process that keeps them looking great and feeling comfortable. With these steps, you can remove dirt, tackle stains, and maintain their durability for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical cleaning tips and care guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.